How to change your Telegram password. Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Telegram password, whether you forgot your old one or just want to update it for better security. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out, and I appreciate the support. Step 1. Open Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android. This works the same on both devices. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon at the bottom right to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Access Password Settings. Find two-step verification. It's about the third option down, and tap on it. Here, you'll see your password settings. Step 4. Change or reset your password. If you know your current password, enter it and tap Next to change it. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password. You'll receive a recovery code via your registered email. If you don't have access to that email, you can choose other recovery options, like receiving a code via SMS. Step 5. Set a new password. Enter your new password and tap Next. Re-enter it for confirmation, then tap Next again. And that's it. Your Telegram password is now updated. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.